Hi friends, welcome to Perfect Strategy. So today we are going to see the unboxing, setup and complete details of Wacom pen tablet. So friends, if you are new to my channel, I suggest you to stay tuned and watch till the end so that you can understand properly right from the setup to use it and for teaching effectively. Friend, when it's come to pen tab, there are lots of pen tabs on the online, but this is the best pen tab which is used by many people and rated high in the reviews. So let's quickly unbox it. Okay, no? So I'm going to remove this wrapper. So this is a pen tablet, friends. So let's open the box. See, the box looks like this. Okay, now let's open this. So this is the box inside the Wacom pen tablet box. So firstly the pen tab itself is present on the top, as you can see here. So we'll put it at side. So along with the pen tablet you'll be getting one pen. See, this is the pen that comes inside the box, and this is for writing purpose on the pen tablet. And along with this you will be getting one USB cable for connecting to the laptop, and see, along with this you will be getting some user manual. See how to set up the pen tablet to the laptop. Okay, and next some documentary work. So nextly, that's all, friends. So friends, as you can see this, along with the USB cable they will be providing you some pen nibs for inserting the pen nibs into the pen tablet. Okay, and you will also be already getting the pen nib with the pen. See, as you can see here. So if you take look at the pen tab, see, the pen tab looks like this. See, if you see the back side, there is a branding. See, there is a branding logo of Wacom and written one by Wacom. And coming to the size, friends. So friends, the size of the pen tablet is almost around the size of a A4 paper. So now let's quickly connect this pen tablet to the laptop. So friends, with this given USB cable we will connect the pen tablet to the laptop. So here is the pen tablet, and this is the USB cable that is given in the box. So let's open this cover. this is how the pen tablet looks. And there is also something side to the pen tablet for keeping the pen. I think it is a pen holder. Okay, now let's connect the pen tablet to the laptop with a USB cable. Okay, see, we have to plug in this. So this is how we put this side and the other side to the laptop. Okay, see friends, as you connect the pen tablet to the laptop, you will be getting a light on the pen tablet. Okay, so now what we have to do is, see, we have to go to Google friends. Okay, so I'll show you. See, now we have to go to Google and see, we have to type Wacom dot. See, I'll type Wacom dot com slash start start slash 1 and I'll press enter. See friends, as soon as you enter this website like wacom.com/start/1, you will be getting this window. Okay, see, in this window there will be everything, all the instructions will be given here and you can follow step by step. See, there are 3 steps given in this window by Wacom. See, first step is plug the USB cable into the tablet and computer, which we have done already, and the second one is download and install the driver. See, there are 2 options given here, one is for Windows and other one is for Mac. So presently I am using Windows, so I will download Windows driver. So click on the Windows and see, you can see a driver install. So I will select the desktop and I will save. Click save. See, here you can see the driver is installed and we will click on this. So when you click this, you will be getting a pop-up window and you have to click yes. See, after clicking yes, you will be seeing this Wacom box. Okay, see, the drivers are installing, so wait for some time friends. Okay, see friends, you will be getting this window, Wacom tablet license agreement. You have to go through all this and after that you have to click accept. So you will be seeing this Windows Wacom installing. Please be patient, this may take a few minutes. So friends, after installing the required files on your laptop, so you can see the movement of the cursor with the help of this pen on the pen tablet. So it means that your drivers are successfully installed. So now for the example, I'll open a PowerPoint blank file. Okay, see friends, after opening a blank PowerPoint presentation, see, I will show you. See, now I will select a pen and see, I will write now this. See friends, here at the bottom of the PowerPoint presentation you will be getting this pen option. See friends, see friends how clearly I can write on the PowerPoint presentation slide. So over the time you can also write very clearly friends. So the pen is very responsive. So one important thing during your starting times is it will be somewhat difficult. Over the period of time it will be very easy and habituated for you regarding the alignment of the writing. See friends, I will show you the alignment. See, this is a pen tablet. So this is the top left corner, top right corner, and this is the bottom right corner, and this is the bottom left corner. So whenever you move the cursor on the pen tablet, you can see the movement of the cursor on the, see there is a pointer, you can see that on the screen. So you can write very easily. So friends, I will show you how it is. Perfect strategy. So see friends how clearly I can write on the presentation using this pen tablet. And friends, you can also easily teach with this pen tab, and it costs you around 6 to 7,000. If you want to purchase exactly the same pen tablet which you are seeing now, I have given the link in the description, so check out from there and you can purchase from there. So last but not the least friends, only one thing I can say you, that this is the best pen tablet to you to become the best teacher during this lockdown time. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing my channel, where I'll guide you with the right strategy and right content to lead in the all competitive exams. Thank you and have a nice day friends.